snap.
What page do you make?
Scar 5. Oh yeah, love that way more.
This looks a bit like a chef's coat.
Yeah.
You know? We do look like that.
Ooh.
Jay, that looks really good. We didn't stay friends through the process.
So you're not friends right now?
No, we're going back to being friends. We're coming back to being friends. Every time we make a big project, it's at the cost of the friendship.
Yes.
But that's very normal.
Yes, I can imagine.
Enemies.
Yes.
We are at crossed purposes.
Mm-hmm.
But now we're coming back together.
The
What
work
really
is
makes friends come together a lot.
there's
stronger,
an
I think,
apogee
when you
and
go
a perigee.
all the way to hell and back, I guess.
And now we're coming back from hell.
Exactly.
It's a Gilgamesh story,
Amazing.
No.
right?
My main goal when making these films is to have the film be great, and Jay's is for him to be great.
You know, it's funny that you say that because that is revealing a lot. I think the whole team would say about you.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, good. So we're still friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
Getting back to
TV show, you guys break down the fourth wall a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Are we going to see a lot of that kind of in the movie?
No. Unfortunately, with that was something that we've left to the TV show. So it's
Okay.
most of this one is much more by the book. There's not a lot of meta commentary about it. A lot of the things, what we've been saying to people is that if you love the show, love the show.
Right.
But this is the movie.
This
and
is something new.
It's
something
totally different. Yeah.
Still the same characters, though.
The characters are similar.
Oh, so it's not even the same.
The characters are similar.
We've evolved into some new ideas. And
Yeah.
We had some conversations with our producers about what would be better for the movie version of
That's
the show.
Matt Miller and Matt Grayson.
And Jared Radcliffe.
Interesting. Okay.
He became a
So do you think your fans will be surprised happy or surprised? Bring us back to the original. You know how fans can be.
I think it's unavoidable that our fans are going to be disappointed in some of the character.
It's funny to say we have said 90% of the fans will be disappointed.
Yeah.
But you're going to get a whole bunch of new fans though that don't know the series. That'll be like, oh my god, these guys are hilarious.
And those are the fans that we care about.
Plus,
Right.
and that was, I think, Matt Grayson's genius idea.
Cool. Okay. How did the title Nirvana, the band, come about, and how can you do that without getting sued?
Adrian Love had said, who is a producer on the film, had said, you guys should change the name.
Yeah.
And he was like, you need to change the name. And we had to go back and be like, why did we even say, why are we calling the movie
18
this?
years ago. Why
18
did
years,
you?
and we were, and I did what I never do, which is I opened my diary from that year, 2007. And
This is going to be interesting.
well, it was mostly what I'd eaten, things like that, and some gym routine, and then at that time I was listing like the hot pools in the city, places to go that were undiscovered gyms.
Right.
And
Good pools.
well, if you know where to go, and that's what the whole list was for.
Right.
Anyway, I had said, Nirvana the band, great name for TV show.
Even though there's already a Nirvana band.
Yes. And which at the time, Jay and I.
Don't you see? That's the genius. And I didn't understand. I was like,
Well,
but
we
Matt,
didn't. Yeah.
we can't.
And we didn't talk about that really.
We were in a jumbo video.
When I told him this.
I still don't know if I get the reason.
Well, jumbo video is like a
Yes, I know
small
I know what
town.
jumbo
It was like
video
they had
is.
an elephant
Yeah.
and you get your own popcorn
Yes.
as you forgot the
Right.
movies. Yeah.
So you're like, hey, I've got a great idea for a
TV show name, and all we
Nirvana
had
the
was the
band.
name, and then we retrofitted the show around the name.
Right, trying to go to.
We didn't think like, that it would even be Jay and I at first, but then it became
Right.
obvious it needed to be Jay and I, and the Rivoli obviously made sense because of the name, and then we decided to set it in Toronto because of the name.
You know, after enough time, we got rid of enough of the material in the show, so virtually nothing that has to do with Nirvana is left in the show except
Right.
the name.
But do they own the name?
Yes.
So these guys are going to decide what they're going to be wearing on the red carpet, September 4th, the launch of TIFF, Midnight Madness, Nirvana, the band, the show, the movie. see what they're going to wear.